Hello, friends. Today I am going to share with you a beginner guide to meditation. I hope this will help you a lot. Now let's get started. Meditation offers remarkable benefits. From becoming more in tune with your own thoughts to improving your overall well-being, meditation has something to offer everyone. If you are a complete beginner, you may be wondering how to get started. Learning to meditate isn't as complex as you might think. If you want to experience the positives that the practice can bring, then here is a beginner's guide to meditation. 1. Search for a tranquil environment. For successful meditation, you will require a quiet environment in which to practice. Background noise, such as the television and radio, will cause distraction and disrupt your train of thought. It's also best to choose a fairly cool to warm area to meditate. Being too cold or too hot won't allow you to concentrate, so make sure you're in a suitable area where you won't be disturbed. 2. Sit comfortably. To meditate, you'll need to find a comfortable position in which to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need to adopt a specific position if you are going to find it hard to adapt. Generally, the regular position for meditation is with crossed legs and hands on your lap. However, if you struggle with this at first, find a position you are comfortable with. Just ensure that you are not slouching. 3. Breathe. Focusing on your breathing is an important process in meditation. However, you want it to be natural. Start by closing your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Let it begin with shallow breaths, and just continue to breathe for a few minutes. Your intake of breath will become deeper as you progress. Take your time to breathe slowly as there is no need to force it. 4. Focus on your thoughts. By deep breathing, you should feel more at ease. Once that happens, turn your focus to the actual process of breathing. Be conscious of each breath that you inhale and each that you exhale. It may take a while for your mind to fully focus on your breathing. Don't worry if you struggle with your train of thought. It's perfectly okay for your mind to wander onto other subjects. Simply let it drift and gently try to bring your attention back to your breathing. It'd be difficult to concentrate, whether you're a beginner to meditation or not. However, as you start to continually practice, your attention should gradually improve. If you find it easier, then use numbers to count your breathing. So, for instance, count 1 to inhale and 2 to exhale, and continue to repeat these numbers as you're breathing in and out. This can be an effective way to get into the mindset of learning to meditate. 5. Open your eyes. When you are ready to end your meditation, open your eyes. You should be in a calm and serene state. You may want to explore other meditation techniques in future, such as meditating while listening to soft music or other audio. You can sign up to Zen12 for a free audio meditation program to experiment with an alternative style. Click the link below to download free Brainwave Meditate audio now. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.